Can you see all Discord servers that you've left? Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will find out if we can see old Discord servers that you have left. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So if you're on the Discord and if you're logged into your account and if you're searching for your old Discord service that you have already left, but unfortunately Discord does not provide a built-in way to view a list of the servers that you have previously left. Once you leave the server, it disappears from your sidebar and is not stored in any accessible history. However, there are some other methods that will help you remember or recover your old Discord server that you were in. So the first method is to check your email inbox. If you have received any invitation email to the server via your email, now you have to open up your Gmail, head over to the inbox. Then in the search bar, you can search for a Discord or any other keywords like invited you to join. And if the invite link is still valid and if you can find it on your Gmail, you can rejoin the server from that email as well. And the second option is to use your Discord message history. If you had any DMs from the people or with the people from that server that you have already left, you could simply go and check your DMs and search for any server mentions or discussions. You could also check your old shared messages. Sometimes server invites link are shared in DMs as well. So look in the DMs too. If you cannot find it, you could also ask your friends that you share the server with. If you know someone who was in that server, you could simply DM them and ask for the invitation link, or if they're still a member, they can generate an invitation link and send to you so that you could join that server again. And if you also have ever saved your Discord links invitations, or if you have any bookmark folders in your notes applications, you could also go through that and try to locate the invitation links or the server name. If you can find the server name, you could simply search for that server and then join it back again. So these are some of the ways that will help you find out your old server that you have already left on Discord. And that's it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.